The topic is sexual reproduction. So, in case of sexual reproduction, reproduction is a method where we can form new offsprings or new individual. So, in case of sexual reproduction, two parents are required. One is male and other is female, and they are needed to produce a new individual. Now, each parent produces special sex cells which are known as gametes, and these gametes help to carry the genetic material from parents to the new offspring that will be formed. The male gametes are called as sperm, and the female gametes are called as eggs or ova, and singular is ovum. The fusion of a sperm and ovum forms a zygote. So, when sperm will be formed, it will be haploid. That means it will contain half the number of chromosomes that are present in adult. And when it will multiply with ovum, that will also haploid. It will contain half number of chromosomes as adult. They will form zygote that will be diploid, and it will contain the same number of chromosomes that are in adult. So they will develop a diploid zygote which develops into young one or baby, and they will form a new organism. So this baby grows into an adult organism. Now first let us read about the steps that are involved in sexual reproduction. First is gametogenesis. So this is the process in which the gametes will be formed. Gametes are formed in reproductive or sex organs of males and females. They are formed by type of cell division which is called as reduction division. For example, if male will form a male gamete, it will consist of half number of chromosomes as it was present in an adult male. And if female forms female gamete, it will also contain half number of chromosomes, so that when they multiply they can form diploid zygote and the number of chromosomes remain same. So the male parent, it will produce the male gamete that is known as sperm, and the female parent produces the female gametes which are called ova, or the singular is ovum. So we can see this figure which shows the human gametes. Here egg is shown which is the female gamete. It consists of the ooplasm, that is also known as the cytoplasm of egg, and the nucleus. Now this is the structure of sperm. It consists of the head. Second part is tail or flagellum. This tail helps the sperm or the male gamete to move inside the female genital tract. Now the next step of sexual reproduction is fertilization. After the gametes are formed, fertilization will take place. Now fertilization is the process of fusion of a sperm nucleus, that is the male gamete, with the nucleus of ovum, that is the female gamete also known as egg. This process is called as fertilization. So when a sperm and ovum fuse together, they form a zygote. This is the first cell of new organism. Now fertilization is of two types. First type of fertilization is external fertilization, and second is internal fertilization. Now in case of external fertilization, when the fusion of male and female gametes, it takes place outside the body of female, it is called as external fertilization, and it is found in frog and aquatic animals such as fishes and starfishes. So when the fertilization will take place outside the body, it is known as external fertilization, and it usually takes place in aquatic animals such as fishes, starfishes, frog, etc. Now the second type of fertilization is internal fertilization. In internal fertilization, fusion of male and female gametes, it takes place inside the body of female. And internal fertilization occurs in reptiles, insects, birds and mammals, including human beings. So we can see this figure which shows the process of fertilization, that is the fusion of sperm and ovum. So an egg is surrounded by many sperm but only one gets penetrated. So we can see that many sperm surround the egg. So this is the nucleus of egg, and sperm is penetrated but only one sperm will fertilize with the egg, because this egg membrane which is present around the egg, it has some chemicals which are present, and they will allow only one sperm to fertilize with the egg. Now, the next step that takes place after fertilization is development of embryo or embryogenesis. The zygote, which was formed from the fusion of sperm and ovum, it will divide repeatedly and its cells form different tissues and organs. This developing structure, this is known as embryo. Now this embryo, it then grows into young one or baby, and the development may occur outside or inside the body of female. I hope you understood this topic well. Thank you.